Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brownsville local and long-distance movers near me. We are a competent long-distance moving company. Relocating to a long-distance location of over 50 miles is overwhelming. Getting your items of different sizes and shapes to your new place is a stressful task. At 3 Movers, we simplify the process, thereby reducing the moving burden. Our movers are careful with all your belongings and valuables. They follow an organized system of sorting, arranging, and loading your belongings. Our moving trucks are also ideal for long-distance travel. They are of the best standards, and we maintain them properly. They hold and protect your belongings throughout the trip. Our drivers are also certified. They are security conscious and obedient to highway rules. We have excellent insurance policies that cover risks during the move. We deliver your items to you at the appropriate time and with no damage to your belongings. We also offer quick and adequate local moves. We have all the necessary manpower and adequate knowledge of the local and major routes in Brownsville. Our customer service is also fantastic. We are always available to provide answers to your questions and meet your moving needs. Our hourly rates are also very cheap. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. You pay less for more when you hire our services. We get a lot of referrals from locals because of our affordable rates and flexible services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brownsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.